Hi, I'm Jimmy with Holistic Magnified, and glad you're here. Today, we're talking about black pepper, specifically organic black pepper essential oil, and why it is in our all-day tinctures. When people see the ingredient list, they usually understand the hemp oil, they usually understand the MCT oil, but the black pepper essential oil could really raise an eyebrow. So let's explain it. The reason is one compound inside that black pepper oil, and that is Beta-Caryophyllene. Beta-Caryophyllene is a terpene. We talked about terpenes in the last video. They are the aromatic plant compounds that help shape the profile of a formula and the building blocks of essential oils. So Beta-Caryophyllene is special because it's one of the terpenes that researchers have studied for its relationship with the cannabinoid receptor pathways, especially the CB2 receptors. That makes it a very interesting compound in the context of full-spectrum hemp formulas. So why do we use it? Because when Beta-Caryophyllene shows up alongside CBD and CBG, and the rest of the full spectrum matrix, it gives the formula another pathway to consider. So that's the important word, consider as part of the conversation, because a formula is actually kind of like a conversation between the compounds. CBD has a role, CBG has a role, the minor cannabinoids and terpenes have a role, and Beta-Caryophyllene has earned a seat at the table. That's how we formulate, not by trend, not by decoration, and not by throwing a popular ingredient into a bottle and hoping it sounds impressive. Every ingredient has to answer a question. Why are you here? What can you contribute? And can we explain that clearly? Can we defend it scientifically? And can we show the lab work behind the finished product? True statement. So if I can't explain why an ingredient's in the formula at the chemistry level to a skeptical practitioner with research to point toward, then that ingredient does not go in our products, period. That's where Holistic Magnified is different. We are not just building cannabinoid products, we're building educational products. The formula matters, the sourcing matters, the COA matters, and the explanation matters. Because trust is not something a brand gets to demand, trust is something a brand has to earn. One more layer, that black pepper essential oil is organic, the MCT oil is organic, the hemp sourcing matters. There's no point choosing the right compound and then sourcing it carelessly so that your product's made with inferior ingredients. So, organic, black pepper essential oil, Beta-Caryophyllene, the CB2 pathway relevance, documented ingredient logic, defensible sourcing. That's how every ingredient decision should happen. One reason, one compound, one formula at a time. In the next video of this series, we'll talk about evening routines and how hydration and wind down and cannabinoid routines fit into the body's natural daily rhythm. So from Holistic Magnified, balanced through science, guided by intention. I'll see you next time.